Guys, I created quite the look for Kaley Cuoco for the InStyle Party Golden Globes 2018, and I want to recreate it for you. I used COVEREK to create this insane look with glitter. Glitter for every age. Look guys, I'm 40 and I'm wearing glitter. So you can do it too. Join me and I'm going to recreate it for you. Okay. So first we're starting with the La Mer, the Moisturizing Soft Cream. I love this. It's super hydrating, but doesn't feel really heavy on your face. And it's an instant wake me up, so I like to use it on the red carpet. It is gonna cost you a pretty penny, but it feels so good. That right there was like $50 worth of cream. Okay, and then, you know I love these IV Moisture Boost Hydrogel patches. They are from NERIUM, and everyone's asking if I sell it, and I don't. I just happen to come about these, and I really like them. They're cool, and then if you put them in the refrigerator, they're even cooler. And then for the lips, I moisturize them with LANOLIPS. So this has got the smallest tint, you can see it. It's like a pink. Then I went in with the Infinity Waterproof Eyebrow Liner from the fabulous Thrive Cosmetics. Now, I listen to you guys. I get so much haterade on the fact that my bangs are always in the way, so I pin them back for you. I hope you like it. So there we have the brows. Next, I took my favorite new product, the COVEREK Glitter Drops. You have to shake it up. You can add this to anything, so you could put it really anywhere on your face or body. I would say it's like a liquid glitter. So I took a little and put it on my hand, and then I took just a nylon brush like so, and took it off the back of my hand and lightly pressed it all over the lid. The more you dab, the more it kind of builds on itself. You can just do like a layer and then let it dry and then kind of blend it a little bit with your fingers. We're gonna let that dry, and then we're going to take some shimmer veils and kind of just pat them on it and then layer one more layer on there. So I took another nylon brush and just placed this in different areas of the eye. When you're working with glitter, it can get a little bit patchy. So this kind of filled in some little patches. So it makes it solid on the eyelid. And then I took Celestial and just placed it on the inside of the eyes. Then I let that dry a little bit more, and I went back in and placed a teeny bit more of the glitter drops on top. If you wanted to buy one of the shimmer veils, I would go with the Amethyst because we ended up using this on the cheeks, the top of the lid a lot. It's like a pinky purple. And let that dry. And then I went in with the Makeup Forever. This is their Aqua Black. I filled in her lash line with a square brush. Kind of flip it up and then fill in that lash line. So then we wanted to paint a really dark line on the lash line and then flick it up just a teeny bit, not overwhelming. I love this. This is the Sigma small eyeliner brush, E10. And then I took the Sigma winged liner, the I think it's 06, and I love this one because you really don't have to do much. You really just go here and draw your line and then connect really small. Ta-da! Now we need our delicious mascara. Where is that? Too Faced. You can see I have barely any lashes. I'm letting my lash extensions fall out so that I can try to use some new stuff. So that's pretty funny. Now we're gonna take the Ardell 3/1/8 and we're going to place them on the outers of my lashes with a little duo glue, and I'm using the dark tone because I think that it dries better. Now I'm just taking the edge of this, and I usually take a brush and then placing a little of the glue, and then the trick is letting it get tacky. So we're gonna wait about a minute. I'm gonna use this, and we're gonna you want the short end to be on the inside of the eye. So I'm just gonna place this right here like so. Press it down, and you can see that little swing, like opens it up a little bit. Now once it dries, I can add some mascara and a little bit more eyeliner just to like really blend it in there. Okay, Okay, so we got the eyes. We're gonna let that dry. We'll put the mascara on at the very end, and now we're gonna take off these patches, and there's a little residual kind of like moisture. I say rub it in. Next, we're gonna use COVEREK's blurring primer. I love this primer so much. Sometimes I just put it on when I'm going out to the market or picking up my kids with no makeup on. It's not like a white, it's kind of like a creamy brown. It's so nice. Let me show you what it does. It almost kind of just evens everything out. It just kind of mattifies you and like blurs everything. And even though I can see some imperfections, like it's not full coverage or anything, I just feel like it makes my skin look so even. Like I don't know if it's filling in the pores, and I don't know, it's just so good. And it really adheres to makeup beautifully. So Kaley even told me that her foundation stayed on. It kind of gives you that airbrushed effect with your natural skin, but my skin is like a better version of itself when I apply this, and I love it, love it, love it. Gluten-free, paraben-free, fragrance-free, mineral oil-free, but it's not free. You do have to buy it. But I love it. Next, we're going to put on the foundation. This is a water-based liquid foundation that comes in 40 shades. It's the Natural Finish Oil-Free Foundation by COVEREK. And COVEREK is known for having great concealers and foundations to really cover any imperfections. But what I love about this is it's heavy coverage, but it doesn't look like heavy coverage. And I think that's very hard to find. And I feel like a lot of people ask me that question. Like if you have rosacea or you have, you know, different imperfections that you want to cover, COVEREK is for you. It doesn't move around, it stays put, and it looks breathable. You'll see. So I'm just gonna be applying this all over my face and my décolleté, my necklace. And I'm just showing you like how full it is, but once you blend it into the skin, it's got this really easy, soft, buildable texture. So if you wanna keep it light, you can keep it light. Also, a little trick that I did, I took a little bit of the foundation and I put it on my hand, and then I took the enhancer drops, which are also another magical potion from COVEREK that I'm obsessed with, and this is in rose gold, and I applied it to the foundation and mixed it and then applied to the cheeks to give like a nice glow, a rose glow. Okay, then I use the Perfect Setting Powder. It is talc free, so you're not gonna get that flashback from the camera, which is awesome. This is good for brides, or if you're a model, or if you just take a lot of selfies. What I like is this came like this, so it doesn't get messy. How awesome is that? Why aren't more people using that? That's genius. So all over the T-zone. So there we have it, and then we're gonna hit the cheeks with a little bit more of the Shimmer Veil. Again, gonna give a little bit more highlight and a little bit more pink. So there we have it. And then I took a little bit of the Amethyst and I put it on the lips. So it had like this nice little glow. And then I placed some clear lip gloss over the lips, but I gave it to her, so I don't have it to show you. I need to get a new one. But my complexion looks just like super healthy and good. It stayed a long time, which I think is so important. So this is the final look that Kaley Cuoco wore to the Golden Globes InStyle After Party 2018. What do you think? I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was really fun creating this with COVEREK. Love that brand, really innovative, cool stuff, and look how good my skin looks. Also, let me know what you guys want to see, comment below, and if you're not following me on Instagram, who are you? Jamie Makeup on all my socials. Hit me up, follow me, ask me, talk to me, I'll talk back. I might talk back a lot, and then you'll get annoyed with me, and then you'll be like, unfollow. Anyway, have a fabulous weekend, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.